Hey everyone, my name's Kenny. Welcome to my channel. Today we got some huge news from Corsair we got to cover. They just introduced a giant fan, and I want it. It's a giant RGB fan. I want it. I think everyone else wants it. Everyone needs it. Let's take a look at what they introduced.
Here at Corsair, we decided to take cooling to the next level. With the help of our engineering team, we made new fans that are 10 times their normal size.
Perfect.
Introducing the brand new LL500 fan. That's right.
F yeah, dude. Look at that thing.
Now you might be wondering,
hell yeah.
What is the point of having such a big fan? Simple.
Yes.
Bigger fan equals bigger cooling.
Duh, obviously.
For the first time ever, you can keep your PC cool while keeping yourself cool too.
Yes.
The
See?
possibilities are endless.
Wow. The trees are moving outside with
fully customizable RGB using IQ integration.
Yes.
Get the fan that blows away the competition.
Yes. I need that.
Here at Corsair, we decided to take cooling to the next level.
All right, guys. As you saw in that sweet teaser trailer for the next big upcoming product, we did it. Let's take a look at what I did. Yes. Hell yeah, boys and girls. We did it. I made the Corsair fan. It's real. It has Corsair RGB. Yes. See that? That is genuine Corsair RGB strips. It's a real product. Giant 20-inch box fan powered by Corsair Node. Yes, that is a Corsair Node plugged into this computer and RGB goodness. Yes. Yes. It's real. Anyways, guys, that's about wrapping it up for this video. Super cool product. Decided to pick up this box fan at my local hardware store for $15. And throw some more random RGB strips, not random, the Corsair ones, in it, and just try it out, see what it looks like. And it works. I only had 3 laying around. This is from an old setup, so I don't have a 4th one to make it complete. Kind of wish I did, but I could probably buy another set of RGBs off of eBay or something like that and tie in the main power cord and just have everything running off of one power supply. That might be really fun. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this was entertaining. If it was, leave a like. If it wasn't, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're new. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hopefully it was entertaining. Corsair, we want an RGB fan. An RGB box fan. Let's go. Mounted right to the side of the case. Done. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take it easy.